Hello everyone, this is Parthi Nair. Today I would like to speak about the South Indian Fashion Pageant Association, which is the association which did the big event that we witnessed today. So the Femina Miss India. So I think they're doing a great job. I think helping to encourage new talents, the upcoming models who really want to make it big in the world of fashion, designers and everybody who's very artistic. So congratulations, and I think there's a lot of effort put in. Thank you so much. I was very happy to be a part of this, and all the very best.
Hi, this is Gomti Reddy, your host for the South Zone auditions of Femina Miss India 2024, co-powered by Tops and Rajnikanda Pearls. The energy in this room is insane. South Zone, are you excited? Yes! Let's go!
I just landed from Mumbai and this is where I was born, so I'm very excited to be back in Bangalore again. To start off the day, I had my favorite idli and chutney, and because I had my favorite food, I'm just so ready to just go. I'm very excited to be here. There's like a long line here, and looking at all the girls just makes me so excited because I can't wait to like meet new people and discover new things about myself that I didn't know before.
This is my first time competing. I'm competing for the second time. We're excited to see how the audition goes. Okay? Chalo. Hi, I'm Bhavya Reddy.
Hi, I'm Monica Reddy.
We are from Telangana and this is my first time competing at Miss India. So I'm excited to see how the audition goes.
This is my second time competing for Miss India and I'm very excited, and it feels so surreal to be part of this journey once again in Bangalore.
Yes. So we are looking forward to a day filled with positive vibes and unforgettable experiences. Thank you.
Hi guys, my name is Gauri Nair. I'm 25 years old and I am representing Kerala.
Hi guys, I'm Aishwarya. I'm from Kerala and this is Gauri. So she's also from Kerala.
So we both are going to represent Kerala for this year's Miss India, and we are super excited for it.
And now we are here in the South Zone auditions and we are very happy to have met each other.
Yes.
So hoping to have a nice time here.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.
Hi, hello. I'm very excited to participate in Femina Miss India 2024. So I'm so excited and I got some friends here. So I'm thrilled to do that, everything. That's it. This is my first time participating and I think it will be the best one. Thank you.
Everyone, I'm Yukta Sharma and this is my first time participating in Femina Miss India. It's such a wonderful thing that's happening here because Femina Miss India is competing 60 years of its existence, and I cannot be happier to be a part of it. In fact, I am exhilarated to be a part of Femina Miss India. The Bangalore's weather is weathering, the makeup is makeuping, and now it's just glam, glam and glam. Thank you.
Hi everyone, this is Sneha Shakti here and I am from Tamil Nadu. I'm super duper excited to be here in Miss India 2024 edition and looking at so many lovely ladies. It feels so exciting to be a part of this journey. Participating here itself feels like a big win, so I can't wait to see what's there for me in this. Thank you.
Hello, I am Mansi Tiwari. I am 24 years of age and currently I came here to represent my state, Karnataka. Currently I am pursuing Bachelor of Dental Surgery and basically I belongs to the city of river Narmadapuram.
Hi guys, this is Gomti Reddy and I'll be your host for the South Zone auditions of Femina Miss India 2024. The energy in here is insane. So South Zone, are you excited? Yes! Let's go. I'm just about to enter the backstage right now. Let's go and check out how's the energy. How's the energy? These are our esteemed jury panel for the day. South Zone, are you ready? Yes, we're ready! Let's go!
Hi, I'm Bhavya Reddy from Telangana. I'm super duper happy because I just got shortlisted to round 2. So I'm excited to see what the future holds for me. Thank you. Hi, I'm Bhavya Reddy from Telangana. So I just got shortlisted to round 2 and I'm excited to see what the future holds for me. Thank you.
Hi everyone, my name is Monica Reddy. We just got done with the first round of auditions from Telangana and I have shortlisted 2 in the second round and I'm very excited and it feels all like a dream. Thank you.
Hello. It felt so great to be on stage again.
Hi, I'm really excited to be in the next round and would love to go kill it at the ramp.
Hi, I'm Pavni and it felt so nice to be on stage again. I can't wait for the second round and thank you. This was the first time I'm here at the Femina Miss India auditions, and it felt so great to be on stage. Natasha ma'am is so sweet. She gave me the prettiest smile ever, and I'm very nervous for the second round, but at the same time very excited. So looking forward to it.
I'm very excited to be in for the next round and also to just shake a leg out there because the music's really good and I'm really vibing with it.
Hi guys, my name is Chuluru Varshita and I came to Miss India auditions. It's in Bengaluru, South India, and the experience is really amazing and still it's going on. Girls are there like so confident, they're doing really crazy and I'm so thrilled. I'm just waiting for my result. I'm super happy that I'm just trying myself something new. And I'm just hoping that I'm gonna select. Thank you.
Hi, this is Gomti Reddy, Femina Miss India Andhra Pradesh 2023.
Hi guys, I'm Shreya Rao, Femina Miss India 2018 second runner-up, and today we are here at the gorgeous, beautiful Hilton Manyata Business Park. How do you like it?
The hospitality here is just amazing. From the second we entered to the time we had a lunch just now, every person was so kind, and the food, we can't even speak about it. It was amazing. Thank you so much for such a great ambience.
The people, the ambience, everything is 5-star, and thank you guys for hosting us. We hope to come back soon.
See you again, hopefully.
Hello everyone, this is Parvati here. So I'm going to talk about the South Indians Models Association, which is an association helping young models come up who really want to come up in this field and who do not know which is the right place to go to be picked. So this association is very, very helpful, helping to bring out new talents and finding people from different parts in the South, right, who are not able to get that opportunity by themselves. So congratulations, and you've done a great job with this event because we have seen some incredible talent today. So all the very best to both the organization and all the upcoming talents as well. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I'm Yukta Sharma from Andhra Pradesh. I'm an aerospace engineer, a French language fluent speaker and a public speaker. When I was pursuing my engineering and doing aerospace engineering and moving ahead, a lot of people told my mother, how much more wings are you going to give to this girl? As a result, my mother gave me a lot more wings, and I ended up representing India 5 times at international stage. Now, when that happened, I realized that I was very fortunate to have a mother like that. But there are so many young girls who aspire to be engineers, scientists, mathematicians, but do not get the opportunity to do so. And I would like to use this platform to be a voice for those young ladies and to inspire them, because I believe that we can solve complex equations and walk the world ramp at the same time. Thank you.
Hello everyone, this is Parvati Nair. Today I would like to speak about the South Indian Fashion Pageant Association, which is the association which did the big event that we witnessed today. So the Femina Miss India. So I think they're doing a great job. I think helping to encourage new talents, the upcoming models who really want to make it big in the world of fashion, designers and everybody who's very artistic. So congratulations, and I think there's a lot of effort put in. Thank you so much. I was very happy to be a part of this, and all the very